Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
With them, and communication is on, and even recently we have received an official communication from them, and details of that is not be appropriate for me to speak about, but those communications we have further sent to for the information and for the reply from central government, and as we get the reply, we will then further communicate with them and take talks forward. But things are on track. There are certain points that need to be discussed, and certain concerns that are there that has been raised. Not very serious, but important. And I'm sure that we'll be able to find a way forward in that. And I'm sure that all the stakeholders who are involved in this talk are keen that we get long-lasting peace. We are all keen that this matter be resolved. And I want to reiterate from Government of Meghalaya's side that we want that these talks move forward and that we reach to the logical conclusion. And we are seeing that things are moving in the right direction. But since this is a complicated issue, there are always concerns, and it's important to continue to engage and resolve those issues and continue to move forward. But as I said, I'm quite positive that we will be able to resolve this issue and have long-lasting peace in our state. There are certain matters, because this requires discussion at different levels, so it will not be proper for me to discuss it. It's not, I don't think it will be correct, to link both of them. There were some cases that were going on in the past, and those cases, the investigations were going on, so that was a normal procedure where when the investigation is on, then they are called for it. It's not like they have come out with some kind of, like an arrest warrant against them or something. It's a question of just calling them for questioning. So those concerns also have been communicated to Delhi. But as I said, whatever the issue may be,